Implementation and documentation are critical aspects of any information security initiative, including the deployment of security measures, policies, and procedures. Proper implementation ensures that security controls are put into action effectively, while documentation ensures that all relevant information is recorded, accessible, and usable for various purposes. Here's a breakdown of implementation and documentation in information security. Implementation. 1. Action plans execution. Execute the action plans developed during the remediation planning phase to address identified vulnerabilities and compliance gaps. This may involve deploying security patches, configuring firewalls, updating access controls, and other security measures. 2. Security controls deployment. Implement security controls based on the organization's security policies and best practices. This includes measures like encryption, access controls, multi-factor authentication, intrusion detection systems, and more. 3. Employee training. Conduct security awareness training for employees to educate them about security best practices, policies, and their role in maintaining a secure environment. 4. Monitoring and testing tools implementation. Deploy security monitoring and testing tools such as SIEM systems, intrusion detection systems, vulnerability scanners, and penetration testing platforms to continuously assess and improve security. 5. Incident response procedures. Implement incident response procedures to enable a swift and organized response to security incidents and breaches. 6. Secure configuration. Ensure that all systems, applications, and network devices are configured securely according to industry standards and vendor recommendations. Documentation. 1. Security policies and procedures. Document all security policies, procedures, and guidelines that guide the organization's security practices. 2. Security baselines. Establish security baselines, which are documented configurations for various systems and applications that meet minimum security requirements. 3. Vulnerability and risk assessments. Document the results of vulnerability assessments, risk assessments, penetration tests, and security audits. For incident response plans, document the incident response plan, including roles and responsibilities of team members, escalation procedures, communication protocols, and recovery strategies. 5. Security logs and event data. Maintain and document security logs, including network activity, user access logs, and security events for compliance and forensic purposes. 6. Employee training records. Keep records of security awareness training attendance and outcomes. There are more which are not in the screen are. 7. Policy acknowledgement. Document employee acknowledgement of security policies and procedures. 8. Changes and updates. Document any changes, updates, or modifications made to security measures and controls. 9. Compliance reports. Prepare and maintain documentation required for compliance reports and audits, such as PCI DSS, GDPR, HIPAA, or ISO 27001. 10. Lessons learned. Document the lessons learned from security incidents and assessments to improve security practices and policies continuously. Documentation plays a crucial role in demonstrating compliance, facilitating communication among stakeholders, supporting incident investigations, and improving security practices through analysis and feedback. Proper implementation, along with comprehensive and organized documentation, helps organizations maintain a strong security posture and enhance their ability to protect against potential threats and vulnerabilities.